show you how you can fix the dead Chinese phone. As you can see, here's serial number. The model number of this phone is QASP001BG. So the problem is it isn't turning on, or the user said that the battery got blasted in it, and when I tear down this phone, I noticed that you can see there the positive. This one is positive and this one is negative. The positive and the negative, both the terminals are burned, and after removing the carbon and making these, recycling these burned points, I have noticed that this area got burned, especially this component. This is a ZD diode. The diode was burned, and the capacitors, all the capacitors like 1, 2, 3, they got burned. And after replacing these components, I turned it on, and this phone got turned on. Yeah, this got turned on. So let me put it back and connect all the ribbons and LCD touch and all the other ribbons and the connectors with it. So I will be back when I put all the connectors back again and fit this board in his housing. So guys, as you can see, after putting back the motherboard in its housing and connecting all the camera, touch, LCD, power buttons and the signal antenna cable to it, I am using this battery because the battery of this phone got burned. So as you can see, I have put it on, and now I just insert the charging cable. Let me fix. As you can see, the battery is charging now, is 13%, and let me try to turn on this phone. as you can see, the phone is turned on successfully. The phone is now turned on and it will now work fine. So you can fix any this issue like that easily. So please do like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.